Just thought I'd add another video which is just showing you how easy it is to go through the menu. So you can press once and it sets the icon here, press another time and it sets it for this one. So you've got those two options and then back to off. So have a look through the first menu and then it's just up and down here. So resolution, loop recording, WDR, not sure what that is, motion detection, yeah, set that to on. And then power on record, power off delay, okay, power on delay, record audio, yes, we want that on. If you go into a menu item and then want to back away without changing a setting, you can press M as well. So easy to use is what I'm saying here. Pressing M, again we can get across here. Setting the date and time was pretty easy. See, I've just done that 2nd May, that's when I made this video. Auto power off 3 minutes, okay. Beep sound, we've got the beep sound, let's turn that off. Just, and it's gone. So yeah, screensavers, IR mode setting. I don't know what a lot of these settings are yet. I was just showing you how easy it is to actually do things here. So time zone, Tokyo, oh dear, might want to get that right. Let's say mine. Toronto. Well, we've got too many settings here really. Lisbon's. There we go. Set that one. Nope. And then there's different modes. So I'm now into a camera one. So what happened there? So how did I get into the camera? So I'm in a camera mode, so I think it's not quite sure how I'm getting into the playback mode there. So that up and down is going into that menu. So it is easy to use, folks. It's just I will work that out and let you know. Cheers.